Thank you so much for joining LMF Workshop. Welcome to the LMF community. There are three important things that I request you to do before you leave this confirmation screen. The first important thing is confirm your WhatsApp number. There is a button at the bottom called the confirm mobile number. Click on that and give your just double check the WhatsApp number that you gave and give your name and click on get OTP now. You will receive an OTP, and once you put that OTP there, you will receive a course access link. Okay, I got the OTP here, so you have to put that OTP there. Once you put that OTP, you will get this course access link. This link is very important because you can access your course materials from here for 15 days. So to get that course access link, you need to confirm your mobile number. So this is the first important thing I need you to do. The second thing is save LMF workshop date to your calendar. Okay, there is a calendar icon at the bottom, so click on that. You will see the calendars. You just click it and add it to your calendar, so that you will not you will not put anything that important in that date. So if it will be in the calendar. And the third important thing that I need you to do is I request you to invite one of your friend using WhatsApp. Okay, there is a WhatsApp button here. Click on that and you can send invitation, personal invitation to any one of your friend, and it gets sent with your name. So why is you could take this is how the invitation sends. Okay, you could take the workshop together. So we all have that one friend, we go to the technical stuff, right? So suppose if you happen to miss one day of workshop, instead of you going to the recordings and figuring it out all by yourself, you can just go to your friend and you can easily ask for assistance. So that's the reason why I request you to invite one of your friends. And what happens next? Now I will add your WhatsApp number to a private LMF workshop group. Okay, there you will get course access materials meeting link. I'll post the link there. So every day at 8 p.m. I'll open that group and send some tips that you can use for your business. Okay, between 8 and 8:30 you could send messages like your name, why you joined this course, what are your expectations, and these are the things that you could share on the group every day at 8 p.m. So thank you so much for joining the LMF community. I am so excited to meet you in the live workshop, and please do the three important things before you leave this confirmation page.